Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on how to use the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to focus on how you can add an icon with some text next to it. I've uploaded one of the templated websites from Tailor brands, and I'm going to add some icons and some text underneath this image here. To do this, I go to Widgets. I can either type in TB, or I can scroll down and it says TB, icon and text, and I'm just going to drag this underneath the image. And I'm going to have an icon. I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to select an icon. And that's what it looks like. I can now change the design of this. I can change the font, the size, and the color. I can have it bold. I can change the alignment. You can change the width and the height. I would keep them as they are because an icon is very small. You can change the margin between the text and the icon. You can change the color of the icon. You can add some animation if you so wish. What this is that it will trigger either on entrance or on scroll. I generally have this on entrance. That means when this page appears, or this part of the page appears, this will actually activate the animation, and I might just want it to fade in. I can change the duration and delay of the animation, and I can preview it. And I can change some spacing. So that's how you add an icon with some text. You might want to replicate this. So if I just click right hand mouse button and say copy and paste, I've now duplicated it. I might want to change this to something a bit different. So if I click it, I can call this phone, and I might want to choose a phone icon. And that is how you add some text next to an icon.